In this video, what I'm going to do is try to fix this pressure monitor system fault. This has been going on for a while now, and then as you can see right here, it goes on here and then gives all the information here. The plan is to see if the sensors will work. I got these off of Amazon. Tesla S. Supposedly these are pre-programmed, so they just need to be more like a plug and play. So we'll see how that goes. I'll keep you posted. So this is what the sensor looks like from Amazon. Alright, there it is. This is what it looks like. Getting all the tires off. Looks like the car is done, as you can see right there. Test out this bad boy. So it's still in jack mode. Very important to do the jack mode. So we're gonna try doing the reset TPMS. So as you can see here, got it done. So what I'm gonna do here, and as you can see on there, that's the MCUW12. So we're gonna go back here. I'm gonna go TPMS. 10-minute drive. Let's reset. There it is. We're about to try it out. Wish me luck. So it's been 10 minutes. Still got the warning. So I came out of the car for a couple of minutes, let it shut down, set back in it, and it seems like this resetting light for the menu. Oh, sweet, I think it's gone. It just went away. No way. I think it is gone. That. Yes, it worked. It worked, guys. All right, gone. Oh man, this is awesome. So it looked like it did reset. So no longer we get the warning. So it did work. So these Amazon sensors worked. I'm gonna go ahead and give a good review on it. And it seems like we are good to go. So let's go ahead and do a different one. Seems like it's saying resetting, but that warning is gone. I'm gonna see what happens later, but it seems like it's completely gone. So, all right, so it just gave me this. It says reset complete. That's it, no more active, and then we'll do service. It's back to non-loading, and here it's all good.